Hello. Okay, welcome to another video. This is me, your reptile man, and the jungle animal lover. Yeah, that's me. Actually, it's not me, it's my reflection. I'm now in a forested area in Singapore. Actually, I came here to listen to the sounds of the frogs. Now, if you can see here below, there are some ferns and long grasses, bushes and tall trees. Okay, what happened just now? There was a heavy rain, and when there's a heavy rain, some animals, they come out, like frogs, toads, iguanas, monitor lizards, snakes. But I don't know why every time I come to the jungle, all the snakes go and hide. It's okay. Now, can you hear the sounds of the frogs and toad? They are more active at night. They are louder at night, and they come out when there's a heavy rain, storm. Okay, they gather around and they talk like this. They are probably having a meeting. Actually, there are so many of them, but we cannot see as they are all camouflage inside the bushes, inside these ferns and this tall grass. You know, I've been listening to these sounds since I was a boy, when I used to go to forested area, and even when I go for training when I was in the army. Okay, from the sounds, I can say that there are about 30, 40 or 50. I mean 30, 40, 50 mean this area only. This area only. There may be more if you go down further. Okay? Okay, now besides the sound of this frog, you can hear other sounds like that kind of sound. Those are sounds of insects like maybe crickets or praying mantis. Okay, the sounds of a frog and toad are the ones that you hear. Like this, a car engine. Okay, those are the sounds of frog, and the other ones is the cricket, praying mantis, and insects. You know, they all combine together to make this nice music. Alright, folks. Thank you for joining me in this orchestra of the insects and amphibians, the frogs and the toads. Nice listening to your music. Till we meet again in the next video. See you. Bye.